Hi there, my name's Grant, and in this video I'm just going to talk about Ross Minchev and talk about his premier affiliate marketing course, which is called Commission Jumpstart, because I know Ross has got a huge following, especially on YouTube, for his affiliate marketing content. He's got a really big YouTube channel. It's called Ross Minchev, so if you haven't seen that, go and check it out because it's brilliant. And leading on the back of that is his Commission Jumpstart program, which is for people who really want to get into affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Ross and, basically about Commission Jumpstart. As for me, I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been an affiliate marketer for a while. I'm actually a six-figure affiliate marketer. I've made most of my money in the financial niche, but I now work in other niches as well. And I came across Ross probably about 6 months ago on his YouTube channel, because I'm always willing to learn. Even though I'm a fairly successful affiliate, I'm always looking to learn. I don't know it all, and there's always new ways to do things. And I'll be honest with you, Ross has blown my mind. Ross is a brilliant teacher when it comes to affiliate marketing. I've never met him, but he comes across a super nice guy, and his tactics flat out work. And he also teaches things that you're not going to find anywhere else. So yeah, Ross is a real deal. So with that said, let me go through his documents. What I've done is I've written this little review document. So to summarize the basic points of who Ross is and talk a little about his program. So I'm just going to rattle through this really quickly, and I really hope helps you. So who is Ross Minchev? So Ross is one of the world's leading affiliate marketers and is in a six-figure affiliate. He has helped hundreds of normal people to start earning $200 to $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. Like I say, Ross, he's a brilliant teacher. If you need sort of more convincing or just want to learn a little bit more about how he teaches stuff, just go and check out his YouTube channel. I do believe it's Ross Minchev. Just type his name into YouTube and check out his videos. The guy is, he's brilliant. I've not found anyone else. And I've obviously probably the biggest affiliate marketing program is, can't remember the guy's name now. There's a huge one that's run by a massive affiliate marketer. And whilst that is very good, I believe Ross's is much better, much cheaper. And basically he teaches the same things and other tactics as well. Yeah, best affiliate marketing program on the market without a shadow of a doubt. Is Ross legitimate? Absolutely 100%. Just go and check out his YouTube channel if you need any convincing. Ross is completely legitimate and has been an affiliate marketer for a long time. I've personally followed Ross and his work for a while now, and he is one of the best teachers on the subject of affiliate marketing that I've ever seen. Like I say, I'm no newbie. I'm a six-figure affiliate marketer myself, but I'm always willing to learn. And Ross has taught me new things and, helped me to refine my process. So a massive thumbs up. Ross is completely legitimate, one of the best affiliate marketers out there. So what is Commission Jumpstart? This is Ross's personal and premier program where he helps ordinary people to start earning money with affiliate marketing. And basically, if you've never earned a commission in your life, the goal is really get you earning $200 to $1,000 a day. So what are Ross's tactics to earn money with affiliate marketing? Ross uses many marketing tactics to earn affiliate commissions, both free and paid traffic. Now, just very quickly, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, all affiliate marketing is you just promote other people's products. And as affiliate marketers, our job is to send traffic, highly targeted eyeballs to high converting offers. And this is basically what Ross teaches. And some of his methods to drive traffic and people to offers is Pinterest, which basically no one ever uses, Facebook ads, and TikTok, to name a few. And there's many, many more as well that he uses. So most important bit, excuse me, got a frog in my throat. What will you learn in Commission Jumpstart? Ross will basically give you a complete A to Z blueprint of how to make money with affiliate marketing, which will include how to create high converting landing pages, which is really important, how to pick profitable offers, which is affiliate marketing 101. This is the most important thing you'll do, because if you pick a lemon of an affiliate product, then you're going to make no commission. So knowing how to pick profitable offers is key. Facebook ads masterclass, skyrocket your profit. If you can nail Facebook ads, let me tell you, if you can nail Facebook ads, then your commissions are pretty much limitless. Facebook ads, when mastered, could drive $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a day on autopilot, and Ross teaches you his method of how to do it. Copy and paste Ross's ninja redirect script, responsible for $300K in commissions. Multiply your profit by using Ross's signature quiz funnel. Quiz funnels are great for converting traffic into paying customers. Get Ross's secret AIP method for helping increase your profits. Basically, his AIP method is his special technique for writing high converting landing pages, because as an affiliate marketer, what you'll often need to do, especially if you're running Facebook ads or other things, is you need to create landing pages that then drive traffic to the offers themselves. And basically with your landing page, what you've got to do is basically build desire for that product. And Ross's AIP method is designed to basically build massive desire when people read the page for the affiliate product that he is promoting. And you'll learn that. Bonus, special scaling method using workflows, organic traffic untapped methods, and huge bonus, follow along as you watch Ross's live campaign. It's currently running. You will see his live statistics and earnings live from a ClickBank campaign that he is running right now. So in summary, is Commission Jumpstart worth it? Absolutely 100%. Ross is one of the best affiliate marketers I've seen out there, and I've seen them all pretty much, and his strategies deliver results if you take the time to implement them. Obviously, the trick in this is you've got to do the work. Ross will give you all the knowledge, the skills, and the strategies of how to make commissions with ClickBank and other affiliate networks, but it's up to you to go and implement them. No one's going to do it for you, so it's very important to understand that. So if you're looking to start an affiliate marketing business, Ross is your man, and I don't say that lightly. You know, he's the best affiliate marketing teacher I have seen. Just go and watch his YouTube videos about affiliate marketing if you need any convincing. So I give Ross and his program 5 out of 5, worth every penny, and the price is $300, which I think is an absolute steal, because you can make that back with a few affiliate commissions very, very easily. So if you want to join Commission Jumpstart, all you need to do is I'll link to this page in the comments and description below. Just come to this page, enter your details here, and it will take you to step 2, which will be the checkout page where you can make your payment, and you'll get access to all of Ross's trainings. So that is my summary of Ross Minchev and Commission Jumpstart. Honestly, if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, look no further than Ross and Commission Jumpstart, because you could be up and earning really good affiliate commissions. And when I mean really good, I mean $200, potentially $300, $400, $500 per day more in 30 days or less, depending on how much effort you put in. Anyway, I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak with you soon.